Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning to me. Good morning to Moncos. Hold me closer, tiny dancer. Yep. What do you think, What do you guys think I'm gonna get at today? For those of you who made your altars, made a little altar to a place of worship for yourself in your own home. There's different people, different cultures that have altars in their restaurants and their place of business, and sometimes they leave a bowl of rice or some alcohol or some incense. I like that. I'm not familiar with that stuff, so I don't know why. It's like you're just presenting to your ancestors or something. I don't know. I could be wrong. But I've never done that. But I like it. I hear a lot about diets. I have a friend who's always on a keto, intermittent fasting, whatever the new, he's always trying something. All right, fine, it's me. It's me. All right, you guys got me. It's me, my friend. I don't know why I try to lie to you guys. All right. Yes, it's me. I'm always trying different stuff, portion control. Well, I guess this one today is portion control. You are going to make a tiny dinner. A tiny, think about what your favorite meal is. Tacos, meatballs and spaghetti, or, bansao. I don't know what your favorite food is. I guess that's some of my favorite foods. Tonight, you will make a tiny dinner on a tiny plate. I don't have a tiny plate. We'll cut a tiny little circle on a piece of paper. And if it's rice, then you don't make a giant, I'm going to be hungry tonight. All right, so this is just for tonight, okay? I don't think any of us are going to die if you skip one meal, okay? And you're not skipping a meal. You're going to have a meal. So just for tonight, I got a big dinner plan. Look, do it tomorrow night then. It's my birthday. It's my anniversary. Okay, fine. Make a tiny cake. But when I say tiny, don't make a giant bowl of rice and then take one grain of rice out and go, that's my assignment. No, this assignment is for you to actually cook just the ingredients for that tiny food. So if you're making a tiny taco, then just cut a tiny piece of tortilla and heat that up. Cook just a tiny bit of ground meat or Beyond Meat or whatever you use, and make a tiny, like for a G.I. Joe or Barbie and Ken doll, that size. Tiny cup of water, tiny, one tiny pasta, and make a small, tiny plate of food. And I'll give you two options. You could either just leave it at your altar as an offering to your altar, or I don't know if you guys ever made your yimmy or good morning.
Hello.
Or if you have a favorite toy or something. Good morning. But yeah, sit. Hey, look, if you have family members and stuff, it's gonna look weird, but sit down at the dinner table, make a little chair for your little toy, your favorite toy, Snake Eyes, that's mine, Soundwave, a teddy bear, a Barbie, I don't know what your favorite toy is, and have dinner together. And they're gonna have a tiny, for them it's gonna be a big portion or a regular size portion. For you it'll be tiny, you'll be a giant. And have a tiny dinner. And take pictures and share that experience of what it's like to cook like that. And I would love for you to share that. I can't wait to see. Bon appetit. Bon appetit.